On Harmony of the Sea 2023, cruising in October. This is a spacious, extra large balcony. We've been living in here for 5 days, so excuse our dust. Anyways, this is room 6594, and to give you an idea where that is on the ship, this is the deck plan. We are somewhat towards the middle, about halfway up, which we choose to do this on purpose. The best spot is like right here, because to get away from seasickness, a boat that's like rocking back and forth side to side, the least amount would be right there. And that's what we like. Anyhow, this is the room.
The birthday decorations didn't come with the room, by the way.
Yeah, they do not come with birthday decorations. Happy 35th birthday to us old people. Anyways.
Don't tell them how old I am.
Yeah,
You're gonna have to believe that.
25th. Beep! 25th. Alright, so is this a queen or a king, or what is
This is a king. It's two twins that they put together.
Oh,
or you
yeah.
can have them separate.
So
depending
nice.
on what you like.
We asked for a topper, which makes it even less likely to feel that it's actually a twin. It also comes with the couch, which turns into two more. It turns into two beds.
But not all rooms have that. Some of them are just a couch. This one happens to have a trundle, so it'll sleep 4 instead of 3.
Yes. This is actually
It's a big
closet space?
I mean, there's a lot. It's busy in there, but there's a lot of space in there.
Yep.
Try not to look at my mess, but
Yeah, that's some clothes.
yeah.
This is what used to be a little work desk, but it's a charging port. We have to ask for a medical fridge, and this is what they brought. That's me. This is normally a dresser, but right now it's we did trick-or-treating at Disney World right before we got on the ship, so it's kind of like fat central. There is a
Showed everybody her underwear.
sorry, that's Maggie's underwear. Free
You have to cut that.
free advertisement for the pedos.
You have to cut that.
I'll cut that. Sorry, that was Maggie's underwear. Anyways, if you're seeing this now, we just cut out Maggie's underwear. This is Sebastian.
Not do that.
This is Sebastian's pants and Maggie's pants. Anyhow, what I was trying to get to is there's a cooler, not a fridge. It keeps it cold enough to use it as a fridge, but it takes a long time to recover, so they just call it a chiller or cooler. This is the Sebastian. He does not come with the room. Does have this little chair.
The mirror lights up. Oh,
The mirror does light up. Show us how it lights up.
Actually, I do come with the room. You just gotta pay extra for an extra ticket.
That's true. Whoa. So what you get is USB charging, European charging, American charging, light switches, all sorts of cool stuff like that. And I just got that. I broke it. Also, oh yeah, the
we did not realize until
we didn't realize till
but
today.
you
Today, 5 days in, the
If
TV.
the kids are watching, you can actually.
You do get a solid like 12 channels, which is pretty cool. Get the BBC.
I'm sure you turn the light on.
Get, oh yeah. Hey, that's not out there.
No,
It
maybe
doesn't
it's not.
go
Is there no outside light?
I guess not.
It's
Well,
just
we use the light of our
You can,
existence.
You can record that tomorrow.
I'll show a little bit of this tomorrow.
leave the door open.
Yeah, if you have the door open, it shuts off your AC. But this is a huge deck, actually. Most cruise lines, when we've done them, end like right here. But you get this plus this, so it's jumbo, an extra. Spacious. And this is the ocean at night. Whoa! It was raining a few minutes ago, so it's a little wet out here. Anyways, the AC works pretty good in the room. In this room, we've seen a lot of people complain that it's hot in their rooms and the AC doesn't work. We don't know if it's because they're too stupid and don't realize you have to do that, or if it doesn't work. So you got to be careful. Let's look at the bathroom, which is
you have
hidden.
a second closet with
Oh
drawers
yeah,
and stuff. too.
closet.
Don't show my underwear though.
No, oh, don't look there. There's somebody's underwear. You can look at my underwear though. Man underwear. It's appropriate. Anyway, don't look at this. It comes with a safe, which you just hit buttons and it remembers it. You don't have to do the credit card like some of the older ones in hotels. There's a phone to get down to, the front desk in case you need anything.
There's a regular plug on the other side of the bed too.
Yep, there's a regular plug, but we bring, as long as it's not a breaker style extension cord, GFI or whatever. No surge protector. If you bring a normal extension cord, we recommend something like this. And then we use these little magnet things to make it so that we can both charge
Oh,
our
yeah.
phones from the center of the bed.
Magnetical hooks do not come with the room.
Yeah, the room does not come up with all these hooks. You get these on Amazon, they're cheap.
Nor the bungee in the back.
Or the bungee.
Okay, bud.
So this is the bathroom, which is actually pretty big considering when you look at it, you would think it's, I mean, that's my hand. I have little hands, so if you, that's pretty good. We've been in rooms that are much worse. We've been in ones that have like a wet bath style where the toilet and shower and everything is all like one thing. This has stand-up shower, no tub. They provide you with some kind of like really crappy shampoo and conditioner. We buy these again on like Amazon. It's just like a bungee cord with little clips on it. You can hang a lot of bags of chips from here, or you can do your different like bathing suits and stuff. So they drip dry in here. Me again. There's spots for all this stuff. They come once a day. They no longer come twice a day unless you're in a suite on Royal Caribbean. I'll tell you about Royal Caribbean itself in a different thing. This is just a room. You can decide whether we think we like it or not based on this and then watch the other video. So there's storage there.
I like our room.
I do like the room. The room is awesome.
My one complaint about the room, though, is that when the trundle bed is fully extended, you cannot walk
Like,
through
look.
to get to the balcony.
This isn't. Is this
Not
all?
with-
I can't walk through.
This is now your walkway. Which, if you're a slob like us, which hopefully you're not.
Even like
Ooh.
the first night before our stuff was like everywhere.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's very difficult to get through there
Yep.
without falling.
So it's like, oh, I need to go to the fridge. Oop, 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 over and over. So that's how that goes. Anyway,
I would say
so
that's my biggest complaint.
this is about the cheapest time of the year because we're willing to risk it for hurricanes, which you probably aren't. You're probably looking for this in either maybe summertime, something like that. What was the pricing for this room for October during hurricane season?
I don't know because we actually didn't book this room. We did a royal up and bidded. We like put a bid in and then got
Yes. So initially we took a interior balcony, which this ship has like, there's outside balcony and then there's inside balcony. It looks over like the promenade or the Central Park or the boardwalk or whatever it is they're calling those sections of the ship, where it's an interior balcony. And we did that for fairly cheap. I think that was like $1,000 a person. Worked out to be about $4,000.
Yeah, it worked out to be about $4,000, but we had done a deal where the kids were cheaper, so it was out in special.
Yeah, so we got some kind of deal. Anyways, these rooms like this, what we found the best way to get it is you book the cheaper room and then put in a bid for like $1,000, which is what we did. They accepted it. We got the bigger room for a lot less money, and this is for a 8-day, 7-night with 2 ports of call in the Virgin Islands and a single day at Perfect Day Coco Cay, which is owned by them. Anyways, that's some information. Hopefully you like this room. This is a little room tour. I would give you other ones, but we can only afford one room, so you get this one. The end. Anyways, if you like this video in any way, you should check out our other videos because they're more fun than just walk through a room. So, see ya. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.